For full body therapy, Niagara offers a range of custom-designed recliners and adjustomatic sleep systems. Handcrafted and hand-built in our Brisbane factory, the Niagara Apollo Cloud and Apollo Platinum recliner systems combine traditional fine furniture craftsmanship and cutting-edge technical design to deliver full-body, state-of-the-art cycloid vibration therapy. The Niagara Apollo Cloud and Apollo Platinum series has a modern zero-gravity reclining system that cradles your back and elevates your legs above your heart. It is specifically designed to disperse body weight evenly across the entire chair to maximise comfort and minimise aches and pains. You really have to feel it to believe it. Both the Cloud and Platinum systems feature Niagara's unique CVT motors, located snugly in the back, seat and leg areas. The Niagara Apollo Cloud can also feature Rollersage, which provides a soothing massage experience for your back. Another terrific option to maintain your independence now and well into the future is the electric lift function. With the press of a button, the Apollo recliners effortlessly lifts you up and out of the chair for an easy and safe exit. The elegant and handsome design and the easy-to-use remote control allows you to program your CVT session for when it suits you best. The custom recliners come in a range of luxurious and tasteful fabrics, including leather, to complement your home decor. All Niagara recliners are artisan-made and hand-stitched to ensure a quality and enviable addition to your home. Watching television or reading a good book never felt so good. Research has shown that a good night's sleep is vital for a healthy lifestyle and general well-being. There is a host of benefits just from a decent amount of quality restful sleep. Now, take a minute to imagine combining this with the benefits of a full-body cycloid vibration therapy with the Niagara adjustable sleep system. The Platinum 6 series features a wireless touch control, fully adjustable therapeutic sleep system. Our adjustable sleep system allows you to raise the back and legs independently to suit your body's needs, while also allowing you to focus on comfort and relaxation. Expertly combined with Niagara's Cycloid Vibration Therapy, motors positioned throughout the bed provide an all-over delivery system for a complete Niagara Therapy experience. Consider the superior specifications. A purpose-designed, Australian-made mattress for Niagara's Platinum 6 CVT adjustable sleep system is combined together with a bed base that exemplifies our own exacting manufacturing standards. With micro adjustment controls, the position that is perfect for your body can be found at a push of a button. 2 memory positions, 3 therapy massage settings, and a digital timer takes away the guesswork, all combining to make the Niagara Platinum 6 easy to use. What a treat for the senses! With sumptuous comfort and the convenient ability to set a perfectly contoured therapy session or sleep position, the Platinum 6 range may assist you with relief from joint pain and, importantly, provide you with that level of deep and satisfying sleep that we all crave. You can choose from all the standard and expected sizes: single, king single, double, queen or king. To maximise independence, we also have our split range, a dual king and a superior king. Every size has our patented bed design and technology systems that are unique to Niagara. All Niagara CVT devices have 3 different therapy settings: the standard, the cyclopolymodulation, and tranquilsage. As you would expect, Niagara is a proud Australian company. Our manufacturing facility in Brisbane is home to craftspeople who take great pride in producing products that not only look great, but that also help people to maintain the level of health that they need. Niagara also has a long history in supporting a number of charitable organisations who work tirelessly in helping people in need. One such organisation is the Ronald McDonald House Charities, who do some incredible work in supporting families of sick and injured children. Ultimately, Niagara is committed to providing exactly the right product that will suit you, your needs, your tastes and your budget. A Niagara consultant can work with you to help tailor the perfect CVT system to best suit your needs. Niagara, because your quality of life is important to us.